guys, welcome back with another video. In this video I'm going to review Voltage OS, and I don't want to waste more time. I will just want to make the video short, so I will show you the main changes and what's new and the important things. Just let's get started. And really just want to thank Aditya for his great work. He's doing a great job nowadays. Really thanks to all developers who actually contributed to the source. Now let's get started. First of all, here is the about section, and you guys can see Android 12L, of course, Voltage OS, the very latest build, 1.6 official, of course, and here is the maintainer name, and of course security update very latest from this month, and kernel use since Spark Plus. So build date, build number, everything is here, and Linux status is enforcing. That's it. And after that you guys will get here the system section, and remember this is a vanilla build, and you guys are actually free to use any kind of G apps, but I recommend you guys to use basic nick gaps or core nick gaps. If you use core nick gaps, then you guys will not get the latest widgets, so remember that thing. So then use basic. And here is the multiple users reset and device settings. Of course, in gesture section, as usual, you guys will get navigation system, and of course you guys can change the pill length, pill bar, and whatever you need, everything is here. And 3C finger swipe screenshot, one-handed mode, and prevent ringing, everything is available. And the main important thing is here the device settings, MI sound enhancer. You guys can rapidly increase the sound quality by enabling MI sound enhancer, and of course ambient display is working. If you want to use, of course you guys can use, no problem with that. And FPS overlay, you guys can also enable FPS overlay from the notification control center and toggle. Here you guys can see FPS overlay, and of course you guys can also enable from here. And clear speaker feature is also available. That's great thing. And after that we have digital well-being, Google, and other things like digital well-being. And here you guys can see I played Mobile Legends for 22 minutes to check the latest feature and the FPS info, so I will share with you guys later. And here you guys can see the privacy, security, and of course security is very latest. We have the face unlock and fingerprint, both are pretty much fast, and app lock, very important for some people, and which is greatly working. So this is great. And accessibility as usual, text and display, extra dim, dark theme, magnification, and timing controls, and system controls, caption preferences, whatever you need, audio adjustment also available there. And here is the wallpaper and style. You guys can also select all those things, and so many things are there. And actually they integrated some features like system icon packs and system fonts in wallpaper and style, so you guys can easily select all those things from here, and which is outline, Sam, Victor, and rounded. All those are really great. You guys can easily select and just apply, it will be applied. After applying system fonts, system icon packs, and here you guys can see already changed the great changes, the icon changes of signal icons and other things, everything, Wi-Fi icons, battery icons, everything got changed, and even in control center everything got changed. So this is up to you, which you like, you guys can prefer. And dark theme, themed icons, of course everything is working pretty much fine. And they actually use here a different and new fresh icon packs, which I will show you guys later. And here is the display as usual, you guys already know about that. And the new things is color, and you guys can use boosted, saturated, adaptive, whatever you need, you guys can just use, no problem with that. And previously I already showed it on Blaze OS, so that's great thing. And notification, and here is the power hub as usual, status bar, everything is the same thing are available here. Double tap to sleep, traffic indicator which is working, clock, date, and other things as usual. And Wi-Fi icon and Wi-Fi icon, VoLTE icon, roaming indicator, everything is available, no problem with that. And I don't want to show you all the features, you guys already know about that, but let me show you from miscellaneous, which is pulse. You guys already know about that. While listening to music, you guys will get lava lamp animations or other things. And if you want blink, flashlight for incoming call, when someone will call you, and if you want flashlight blinking option, then enable that one, otherwise leave it. And the important thing is game space and hidden apps. If you want to hide an application, you guys can use this one. I already selected one, which is CPU throttling, and which is not available in my app drawer, which is great. And here is the game space, new game space is available, and if you want to enable that one, of course you guys can do that, no problem. And here is the volume steps, you guys can select manually, and here is the screenshot types, so all these things. And after that we have apps and network section as usual. Now let me clear one thing, and which is the YesNAC, of course. Safety net by default pass or not, of course, as it is like Blaze OS safety net pass already, and I'm already rooted my device with Magic's Manager. So banking application is also working here, the Nexus Pay, so that's great thing, and I don't want to waste times. Now let me show you the settings, that means the launcher icons. As usual, you guys can select and change the icon size, font size, max lines for app level, whatever you need. And here is the home screen, double tap to sleep. As usual, the necessary customizations are available, and we have the new thing is here, the use taskbar. If you want to use taskbar here, then of course you guys can enable that one. I don't need, that's why I didn't activate it yet. And here you guys can see the show grid of recent apps, that means this one, grid of recent apps, which is great, you guys can easily use, no problem. Then of course here you guys can see the mobile legend, and I already showed you guys. If you want to use the power hub, that means if you enable that one, unlimited photos storage, that means if you want to use Google Photos and unlimited storage, then of course you enable that feature. And if you want to unlock higher FPS in games like Call of Duty, PUBG Mobile and Mobile Legends, then of course enable that feature. And I played Mobile Legends for 22 minutes and I found 60 FPS. You guys can play, and I don't have time for that to show you right now, so that's why I can't show you now, but I played that. And you guys can select ultra graphics and FPS high, so this is great thing, you guys can easily play games by activating that feature. So hope you guys understand the feature and the video. If you like my work, then do subscribe and hit the bell icon. So thank you for watching.